This video will show you what to do if your Acer laptop's camera is not working all of a sudden. So to fix this, first open the settings app on your Acer laptop. Now go to this Bluetooth and devices tab right here. Now scroll down and then click on cameras. In here you should see your camera devices. If it says disable, click on this enable button to turn it on. However, if your camera is already enabled, you can go to this privacy and security tab right here. Now here you will need to scroll down to app permissions and then click on camera. Now here make sure that the camera access is turned on. Additionally, make sure the apps you are using also have the camera access. So use these toggles to enable camera access for all of your apps. However, if this doesn't work, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll need to expand cameras. Now right click on the camera driver and then make sure it's enabled. If you see the enable option, click on it to enable it. However, if nothing else works, right click on the camera driver and then select uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and the issue should be resolved. However, if the camera still won't work, look for a camera switch or a privacy switch on the side or the back of your Acer laptop and make sure it's not turned off. On some models, you may also find this switch next to the camera itself. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.